In this video I'm going to show you how I fit an awning rail to a Toyota Alphard with a pop top, with its tricky side door that comes up over the top and meets the pop top. With the side door open, you'll see how we can't fit an awning rail here because there's no space left. So instead, with the pop top raised, it can go in the space underneath the pop top roof. I've fixed this one down with some tape just to check that it fits okay and doesn't foul the roof when it closes. So with it still gaffer taped into place, I'm masking around the awning rail. So I can remove the awning rail and apply the black Sikaflex primer so it won't be seen when the awning rail is refitted.
It doesn't matter when, it may rain or it may shine. Blurry memories of us.
Now I'm marking where I can rivet the awning rail to the van, at the back and at the front. It can't be riveted in the middle because on this roof, unfortunately, the awning rail is going to have to pass over the black strip which is covering where the roof panel and the side panel meet. That's okay though, because it will be bonded to it. Drilling the holes where I've marked. And now deburring the holes on the other side.
Daily life that makes me forget my wounded heart. It doesn't matter when, it may rain or it may shine.
Using the holes I've put in the awning rail, I then mark the van with the drill where I want to drill them. I'll take the awning rail off, drill the holes so I can collect all the swarf with the vacuum.
Daily life that makes me forget my sulky heart. It doesn't matter when.
Now I can apply the Stixel sealant before riveting the awning rail onto the roof. While I was doing it, this awesome track came on the radio, so I thought I'd share it with you.
Tell you what I'm dreaming of.
With the sticks all applied, I can now rivet it onto the van.
You'll be here.
Because the awning rail crosses from the outside panel over that black ceiling push-on strip and onto the inner roof panel, there were a couple of gaps that I was not happy with, so I was just filling those in, as you can see there. Job done. With the roof down, you won't be able to see the awning rail. Now it does mean that you can't use the awning rail with the roof down, but the chances are you're not going to anyway. Hopefully this will help you if you're wanting to fit an awning rail yourself. If not, give me a call and we can do it. I hope this video has been useful. As ever, like and subscribe and share on social media. Cheers and gone.